Hello, good morning children. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are discussing about discount, profit, loss and sales taxes. Okay, types of sales taxes. Okay, see here. First of all, we discuss about discount. Okay, discount means what? Discount is a reduction given on marketing price of a article. Okay, here what is mean by marketing price? Marketing price nothing but MRP rate. Okay. In that MRP rate, some amount will be deducted. Okay, that's called as discount. Okay, see here, discount is nothing but what? Marketing price minus selling price. See here, beta, if you take $1, that MRP rate is 100. Okay, if they are given discount 10%, that means 10 rupees. Okay, how much you have to pay here? That 90 rupees only. Here, that 10 rupees called as a discount. Okay, this 10 rupees called as a discount, this 100 is called as a MRP rate, this 90 is called as a selling price. Okay, sell price. Okay, this is the marketing price, market price, this is a selling price, this is called as a discount, which they are reducing amount from the marketing price, that is called as a discount. Okay, see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 formulas we have here. Okay, and that based on this discounts. Okay, see what discount is nothing but what? Marketing price minus selling price or sell price. If we want selling price, so selling price is called what? Marketing price minus discount. We are doing that 100 minus discount, we get 90 rupees. 90 rupees is a selling price. Now see here, if we have discount percentage, how can we find the discount? That is discount percentage of marketing price. That means discount by 100 into marketing price. Now, if we have discount, how can we find the discount percentage? See here, discount percentage is what? Discount by marketing price into 100. Now, I have discount percentage and I have marketing price. I want selling price. So, which formula we have to use? This formula. What is that? Selling price is equal to what? 100 minus discount percentage by 100 into marketing price. Okay, I have selling price, I have discount percentage. Now we want marketing price. So what is the formula for here? This is the formula for finding the marketing price. That is, what is that? That is 100 by, for the reverse only. Okay, 100 by 100 minus discount percentage into selling price. See better? This comes here, this comes here. The denominator will be changing. Okay. Now these are the formulas based on this discount. Okay. Now here, next one is profit and loss. What is mean by profit? If the selling price is greater than to cost price, then we get profit. Okay, beta. You buy one pen 10 rupees and you sell for 12 rupees. Okay. Then you get 2 rupees as a profit. Okay. Here selling price is greater than to cost price. So then we get profit. Profit is nothing but what? Selling price minus cost price. That is loss means reverse. If the cost price is greater than to selling price, then we get the loss. So what is the formula for loss? That is cost price minus selling price. That means if you buy one toy for 100 rupees, so you get some damages. So if you want to buy for 80 rupees, okay? You sell for that for 80 rupees. So then your cost price is 100 rupees, but your selling price is 80 rupees. Then you get loss 20 rupees. Here, see beta, cost price ekkundi, selling price nu ammedi takkundira. Nu konnadi 100 rupees ki, ammindi 80 rupees ki. So 20 rupees loss hai kada. So that is called as a loss. Okay. Now next here we have see the types of taxes. Sale taxes. Next one was value added tax and GST. Why they are introducing this type of taxes? See here. Now see here, sale tax. Sales tax. This, see beta, this sales tax on the government is taken this sales tax beta. See beta, this sales tax are only for goods only. Okay. See beta here, sales tax. Sales tax means what? Means the if we buy one TV, okay, we brought TV for 10,000 rupees. Okay, he added some tax for that taken. How much he taken is there? 10% tax. Okay, how much we have to pay? That is 10 by 100 into cost of the TV, that is 10,000. 2 zeros cancel, that is 1,000. So we have pay extra for 1,000 rupees for this TV. So the total amount is what? Original amount plus tax. That is how much? Original amount is 10,000 and tax is 1,000. How much we have to pay? We have to pay 10,000, 11,000. We have to pay for the TV. Okay, see here why we use taxes here means the government collect the tax and they use in welfare. Also, well, for the use of survival welfare here they use this money. Okay, but this sales taxes this way. Okay, then they introduce VAT, that is value added tax. Why they introduce value added tax means this sales tax, some shopkeepers are not pay the money for the government. Sometimes they are they doing some schemes. Okay, they are ignoring the pay the taxes. So the government this allotted that VAT. That means this you have to here. This is the actual amount. This is the tax. Okay, this tax only the shopkeeper decided how much is, but here VAT in this the tax also included in this only MRP. In this MRP tax also included. The actual amount 11,000 he only given. Okay rabada, ikkademo tax shopkeeper వేసుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ తను టైంకి ట్యాక్స్ కట్టకుండా ఇగ్నోర్ చేయడం వల్ల గవర్నమెంట్ ఏం చేసిందంటే ఈ వాల్యూ యాడెడ్ ట్యాక్స్ ని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసింది అన్న. ఈ వాల్యూ యాడెడ్ ట్యాక్స్ లో ఏమైతే వ్యాట్ లో అయితే ఆల్రెడీ ఎంఆర్పీలే ట్యాక్స్ కూడా ఇంక్లూడ్ అయ్యి వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏదైనా అమౌంట్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో ఆల్రెడీ అందులో ట్యాక్స్ ఎంఆర్పీ రేట్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ట్యాక్స్ ఉంటుంది అన్న. ట్యాక్స్ తోటి మనం తీసుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఆ బిల్ పే చేయగానే దట్ 1,000 అమౌంట్ ఏమో డైరెక్ట్ గవర్నమెంట్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో వీళ్ళు కట్టకపోయినా నో ప్రాబ్లమ్, డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుండి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. So this value added tax only for goods. Okay, this only for goods. So see here, sales tax completed. Next one is VAT, value added tax. That is VAT. Okay, this only for goods. Okay, that means TV, fridge, cooler. That means when we buy the next, see better. See, tax is included in the price of the goods. Okay, in this value added tax, the tax is included in the price only. Okay, here tax is included in the price of the goods. Okay, here tax is included in the price of goods or article. Okay, here next in 2017 in July month, here we have more some difficulties there. So the government is decided to this is the value added tax is it different for districts. See beta, ఒక డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లో ఒక రేట్ ఉంటే ఇంకొక డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లో ఇంకొక వాల్యూ యాడెడ్ ట్యాక్స్ ఉండేది నాన్న. ఒక్కొక్క డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కి ఒక్కొక్కటి ఉండేసరికి we have some problems. So that's why the government introduced in 2017 in July, that is GST, Goods and Services Tax. Goods and Service Tax, that is GST, introduced in where? When? That is 2017 July. It is all over India will be, now they are applied. See beta here districts and states also. See beta here we have ఇక్కడ దిస్ వాల్యూ యాడెడ్ ట్యాక్స్ అనేది ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్ కి ఒక్కొక్క డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కి ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్ కి డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉండేది. సో దెన్ వి గెట్ సమ్ డిఫరెంట్. సో దట్స్ అవర్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఈస్ కండక్టెడ్. ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్ కి ఒక్కొక్కటి ఉండడం బాగలేదని, సో దెన్ ఓవరాల్ ఇండియా ఒకటే ట్యాక్స్ ఉండాలని, దెన్ హీ డిసైడెడ్ టు జిఎస్టీ, దట్ ఈస్ గూడ్స్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్ ట్యాక్స్. హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వ్యాట్ ఓన్లీ ట్యాక్స్ అండ్ గూడ్స్ ఓన్లీ ఉండే, బట్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ జిఎస్టీ they give tax on goods and services also. Goods nothing but TV, fridge, cooler, that means. Services nothing but we are transporting or recharging, ప్రతి దాని మీద ట్యాక్స్ వస్తాయి నాన్న. సర్వీస్ మీద మనం యూజ్ చేసుకునే దాన్ని కూడా ట్యాక్స్ వేస్తున్నారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద వ్యాట్ అండ్ జిఎస్టీ. ఓకే, ఇందులో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి ఈ జిఎస్టీని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడం జరిగింది నాన్న. ఓకే, నౌ ఓకే, all of you understood now? Now see here. Now next exercise 5.2. Remember this 2017 July. Next exercise 5.2. Only one problem I will explain now beta. See here. In the year 2012, it was estimated that there were 36 crores internet users worldwide. Okay, how many members are there? That is 36.4 crores. In the next 10 years, after 10 years, the number will be increased by 125%. Okay, 125 members increase kavachu percentage. Okay, estimate the number of internet users worldwide in 2012. 2022 sorry 2012 enter 36.4. So 2022 lo how much he asking. Okay, how many members are there? Crores here also how many crores are the members they are increasing. Okay, now see here, right here solution exercise 5.2 first problem. Okay, now see here internet users in 2012 how many members are there? That is 36.4 crores. Okay, increase in 10 years how many members, how much percentage increasing? There are 125%. Next we have to find the here percentage here na, I want actual value, that is 125 by removing percentage, that means 100 into how many, that is 36.4 crores. Okay, now you have to multiply these two, how much you get here? That is 4550 by 100. Okay, 2 zeros and 2 zeros before point, that is 45.50 crores. If 125 is increasing na, okay, this much will be increasing. Okay, so 125% ante inta increase aitadira, but what he asking after 10 years inta aitadante we will add 36.4 and 45.5. Okay, now so internet users in 2022 what, that is 36.4 plus 45.5 how much, that is 81.9 crores. This is our solution. Okay beta, in 2012 how many members are there? That is 36.4 crores. In 2022 how many members are there? 81.9 crores. This is the increasing percent. Okay beta, increasing members only. So you have to add these two, you get the answer. Okay, in this session this much enough. Thank you so much.